Reauthorization of the No Child Left Behind Act is one of the greatest opportunities this committee has. It also is one of the greatest challenges. During my time as chairman, we began a series of hearings and meetings with stakeholders to thoroughly and thoughtfully examine the issues that must be confronted during reauthorization. Chairman Miller has continued that effort. Together, we have held nearly 24 hearings and met with countless educators and experts. I've been clear from the outset of this process that my goal is to lend my support to a bipartisan bill that strengthens the law and maintains its core principles of accountability, flexibility, and parental choice. The staff on both sides of the aisle have been working tirelessly to produce a discussion draft that reflects what we have heard during our extensive hearing and meeting process. That draft, which we are here today to discuss, represents a starting point upon which to build. Chairman Miller and I, along with Mr. Kildee and Mr. Castle, the chairman and senior Republican on the Elementary and Secondary Education Subcommittee, have been receiving written comments on the draft since it was released. Today we have the opportunity to hear directly from those who share our commitment to ensuring that every child is learning. I've said this before and it bears repeating. There are those who believe this draft goes too far in modifying the original law, and there are those who believe it does not go far enough. If there is one consistent message in the comments we've received, it is that this draft is far from perfect. Rest assured, this bill is far from complete and this process is far from over. We've made great progress, but much work remains. But by adhering to the pillars of the law, accountability, flexibility, and parental choice, I believe we can craft a bill that builds on NCLB's strengths, improves its shortcomings, and produces even more results for students. Once again, I'd like to thank Chairman Miller for convening this hearing and working in a bipartisan fashion to improve this landmark law, and I yield back the balance of my time.